Hi everyone, it's Nat from Studio Hacks, and in this video I'm going to show you the top 3 AI video generators that you can use to create content and go viral on your social media. You can even use these to create income online through the various creator rewards programs available on Facebook, Snapchat, on TikTok, on YouTube, and on X. Now, each of these 3 video generators is good in a different way, but at the moment there is one undisputable king of AI video generation. So the first one is called Sora 2. If you haven't heard of Sora 2, you have probably seen some Sora 2 videos floating around on the internet. They are absolutely everywhere because they are so hyper realistic. Now, unfortunately, Sora 2 is not available outside of the United States. You can get access to Sora 2 if you use a VPN, but you also need an invite code. I've got a whole separate video showing you how you can get an invite code and how you can easily get access to Sora 2 from outside of the United States. There is actually a much easier way. I just use OpenArt.ai because they have Sora 2 built in. You can access OpenArt AI from anywhere in the world. You can generate some free videos, but if you are going to generate a lot of videos, you will need to use one of their paid plans. One of the biggest problems with creating videos on the Sora.com website is that it is covered with a very large watermark, which kind of detracts from the video a bit. If you create the video through the OpenArt AI interface, it will generate the video without a watermark. So I am an affiliate of OpenArt AI, and I will leave my link in the description of this video, and that will give you 50% off. I do believe they will also be having a Black Friday sale very shortly. With Sora 2, you can generate videos that are 4 seconds, 8 seconds, or 12 seconds long, and you can have them in the cinematic format, which is the standard YouTube video, or the vertical style, which you'll be using for your TikTok style or Instagram Reels style videos. And the other 2 video generators that I'm going to show you are also available from within OpenArt AI. Those are Google's Veo 3 and Kling AI. So you can kind of do them all from the one place. So the second one that we will look at is Google Veo 3. And this is really great because it has a feature that Sora doesn't have. It allows you to upload an image. So you do ingredients to video, and then you can actually upload an image of somebody that you know or of yourself, or an image of a dog or a cat, or, an image that you have generated in AI. And you can turn that image directly into a video. So one cool application that I did was I used an AI image generator to take a photo of me and put a green screen behind me. I then uploaded that to Veo 3, and then all I did was I said, he continues watching content, and it made a video of me reacting to something. So I could actually pop that down on the corner of a short video and make a reaction video without even appearing in the video. What I found with Google Veo 3 is it does put sound into the video. You can just generate anything you can think of. You can type it in. But I've found that it's very hit and miss. Sora is a lot better at making it look real and coming up with, really high quality results. And the sound is also really good. What I've found on Google Veo 3 is the sound is not so great. It sounds a bit crunchy and a bit artificial. The third one that we'll look at is Kling AI. Kling AI is a standalone model, and that will generate video for you. Through the Kling website, you can have a lot of control over the style of video you create. Depending on what type of video you create and what quality you select will determine how many credits you use. The Kling AI I found is best for creating synthetic looking content. It creates these amazing videos that look kind of surreal, and also like for cartoon content. So if you want to create some animated content, Kling AI is probably the better one to go for the animated content. So basically, I would go with Sora AI if you just want to create a viral video. If you want to create animation or art-based ones, I would go with Kling AI. And because Google Veo 3 is free to try out, I would just give that one a go anyway. Have a muck around and see what you can create with that. One annoying thing that I found with the Veo 3 from Google is that when you select the portrait here, it just creates like a landscaped video, but the video is only in the middle. It's not a proper like portrait video. My best advice is OpenArt AI because you can try all of those models out, Kling AI, Veo 3 and Sora 2, as well as a bunch of other ones as well. There are all these strange ones. Some of them I've never heard of. Some of them are older ones, but it will tell you when a new one comes out so you can give that a go as well. If you've got any questions, make sure you do leave a comment on this video. And please do subscribe to the Studio Hacks. Put out content every week, helping creators just like yourself make a full-time living online putting out content. If you want a detailed tutorial on OpenArt or Kling or on Google Veo 3, just let us know in the comments. But apart from that, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.